Alright, we're out here joint JCP3 dock, doing a houseboat on the end of the tee out here. And we just finished up with the starboard pontoon. So this is a comparison video just to show you what the starboard side looks like now and what it did look like. And we'll swim over. We're going to swim about halfway down the starboard side pontoon, show you that, and then we'll go skip over to the port side pontoon. So we're going to finish up the port side and we'll do a post cleaning inspection.